Good morning, children. Today we will be learning about the Peninsular Plateau, the Indian desert, the coastal plains, and the islands. The Peninsular Plateau. Plateau is an elevated upland or a tableland. The Peninsular Plateau is composed of the old crystalline, igneous, and metamorphic rocks. The plateau region can be broadly divided into two: the Central Highlands and the Deccan Plateau. The part of the plateau lying north to the Narmada River, covering a major area of Malwa Plateau, is called Central Highlands. The Vindhyan Ranges is bounded by the Central Highlands on the south and the Aravalli on the northwest. The Malwa Plateau is located in between the Aravalli and Vindhya Range. The further eastward extension gradually merges with the sandy and rocky desert to Rajasthan. The rivers Chambal, Sindh, Betwa and Ken flow from southwest to northeast. This indicates the slope of the region. The eastwards extensions of the Central Plateau are locally called the Bundelkhand and the Bagelkhand. The further eastward extension is drained by the Damodar River is Chota Nagpur Plateau. The plateau region that extends up to the northeastern region are locally known as Meghalaya Plateau, Karbi Anglong Plateau and North Khatchar Hills. It is separated by a fault from the Chota Nagpur Plateau. There are three prominent hill ranges from the west to the east: the Garo, the Khasi Hills and the Jaintia. The Deccan Plateau is a triangular landmass lying to the south of river Narmada. The Satpura Ranges is located to the north, while the Mahadev, the Kaimur Hills and the Michael Range form eastern extensions. The Deccan Plateau is higher in the west and slopes gently eastwards. One of the distinctive features of the Peninsular Plateau is the black soil area known as the Deccan Trap. The Deccan Trap is of volcanic origin. Hence, the rocks are igneous. These rocks have denuded over time and are responsible for the formation of black soil. The Aravalli Hills that lie in the western and northwestern part of the Peninsular Plateau is highly eroded hills and are found as broken hills. The Western Ghats and the Eastern Ghats mark the western and eastern edges of the Deccan Plateau respectively. The Western Ghats that lie parallel to the western coast are continuous and can be crossed through passes only. The Thal, Bhor and Pal are some of the passes on the Western Ghats. The average elevation of the Western Ghats is 900 to 1600 meters. The Western Ghats cause orographic rain by facing the rain-bearing moist winds to rise along the western slopes of the Ghats. The height of the Western Ghats progressively increases from north to south. The highest peaks of the Western Ghats include Anaimudi, 2695 meters, and the Doda Beta, 2637 meters. The Eastern Ghats stretch from the Mahanadi Valley to the Nilgiri in the south. The Eastern Ghats are discontinuous and irregular and dissected by rivers. The average height of the Eastern Ghats is 600 meters. Mahendragiri, with the height of 1501 meters, is the highest peak in the Eastern Ghats. Chevroy Hill and the Jaudi Hills are located to the southeast of the Eastern Ghats.